Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best cuticle pushers is probably one of the most essential tools in any nail care routine, allowing for precise cuticle maintenance and a cleaner, more polished look. Whether you're a seasoned nail technician or a DIY enthusiast looking to elevate your manicure game, understanding the nuances of these tools can make a significant difference in achieving salon-quality results right at home. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect cuticle pusher that suits your needs and budget, ensuring your nails always look their absolute best. Number 5. Makartt Cuticle Trimmer and Pusher Set. Achieve salon-quality manicures and pedicures with this professional nail care set. It includes essential tools for perfect cuticle maintenance. This versatile tool features a sharp trimmer for precise cuticle removal and a dual-ended pusher to gently shape and lift. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They offer excellent durability and resistance to rust. The comfortable pink handles are designed for a secure grip, making it easy to use. Enjoy a comfortable and effective nail care experience. This set provides everything you need for complete nail grooming. Keep your nails looking neat and healthy with these essential tools. Designed for both effectiveness and gentleness, it helps you maintain healthy cuticles without causing damage. Achieve smooth, polished nails effortlessly. What we like. This set offers great value with multiple tools for your nail care routine. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for both cuticle pushing and trimming in one package, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for those who want efficiency and convenience in their at-home manicures. What people say. The cuticle pusher is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. The design of the cuticle pusher is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and use. It effectively pushes back the cuticle without damaging the nail bed. Number 4. MORGLES 13 Pcs Manicure Kit. Achieve salon-quality nails at home with this comprehensive 13-piece manicure set. It includes everything you need for a perfect polish. Our high-quality nail files and buffer blocks ensure smooth, even shaping and a brilliant shine. Get rid of rough edges effortlessly. Infused with milk and honey, the included cuticle oil deeply moisturizes and softens your cuticles. Keep your nail beds healthy and hydrated. The set features a precise cuticle trimmer for safely removing excess skin. Achieve clean and tidy cuticles for a polished look. This all-inclusive kit is designed for women who desire beautiful, well-maintained nails. It's your go-to solution for a complete manicure experience. Surprise the special women in your life with this elegant and practical nail care kit. It makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one nail care package, perfect for anyone who wants to achieve salon-quality results at home. If you desire a complete manicure experience that includes hydration and multiple shaping options, this kit has everything you need. It's designed for those who love to pamper their hands and feet with a wide array of specialized tools. What people say. The cuticle pusher has a sharp edge that is perfect for cleaning under the nails. It is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. The ergonomic design of the cuticle pusher makes it comfortable to hold and use. Number 3. GERMANIKURE Clear Glass Cuticle Stick. Discover the game changer favored by professionals and celebrities alike. This tool is perfect for achieving a salon-quality manicure right at home. Effortlessly push and remove cuticles, file calluses, and shape nail edges. It's also perfect for detailed work like placing nail art or cleaning up polish mistakes. Say goodbye to the risks of cutting cuticles. This implement gently removes dead skin, leaving your healthy skin untouched for a smooth, natural look. Crafted from glass, its fine pointed tip allows for intricate work in small areas. Handle with care, as it requires the same gentle touch as fine glassware. Feel good about your purchase. Our products are handcrafted in responsible facilities, free from child labor and pollution. See the results for yourself in customer videos. Achieve beautiful, healthy nails with this ethically made tool. What we like. Experience a truly gentle and precise cuticle care with this ethically sourced glass tool. If you prefer a non-abrasive method for tidying cuticles and removing dead skin without any risk of cutting, this is the product for you. It's perfect for those with sensitive skin or anyone seeking a more natural and sustainable approach to nail care. What people say. It's a noticeable change for sure. My cuticles are clean and soft. GERMANIKURE is a reputable company and the glass is etched instead of coated, which is very important for quality and safety. It gently removes excess cuticle, and it leaves my cuticles so smooth. Although it is glass, it's strong enough to endure the amount of pressure I apply while using it. It's amazing, pushes the cuticles down with little effort, no pulling or catching on the skin and damaging the cuticle. That's because it gently files as it pushes. I was able to push with the flat end. Then, flip it over so the flat end is up and use the rounded end to file the roughness off the newly revealed nail bed. Then, using the pointy end further push the cuticle down and finally detail the nail bed and sides of the nail. Number 2. Stainless Steel Cuticle Trimmer and Pusher Set. Achieve salon-quality nails at home with our premium stainless steel cuticle trimmer and pusher. Designed for precision and durability, it's the perfect addition to your manicure and pedicure routine. Crafted from 100% polished stainless steel, this tool is built to last. It ensures no rust and provides a comfortable, secure grip for precise movements. Experience effortless trimming with its unique double spring design. The sharp, tightly closed cutting edge ensures a clean and precise cut every time. This versatile tool features a sharp head for cleaning under nails and a flat head for removing gel polish residue and pushing back cuticles. It's your all-in-one solution for nail prep. Comes with a protective sleeve for safe and hygienic storage. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your bag for touch-ups anytime, anywhere. This value package includes multiple trimmers and pushers, making it an excellent cosmetic tool for both manicure and pedicure. Remove dead skin and polish with ease. What we like. Achieve clean and precise cuticle trimming with its unique double spring design for comfortable handling. If you prioritize safety and ease of use, the included protective sleeve makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. This tool is ideal for those who want a reliable and sharp instrument for maintaining neat cuticles without accidental nicks. What people say. The cuticle pusher has a sharp edge that effectively removes dead skin without damaging the nail bed. The ergonomic design of the cuticle pusher makes it comfortable to hold and use, allowing for precise control. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this cuticle pusher is durable and resistant to rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. Number 1. XUNXMAS 5-in-1 Stainless Steel Cuticle Care Set. Introducing a comprehensive 5-in-1 manicure and pedicure tool set designed for all your cuticle needs. This set includes everything you need to keep your nails looking pristine. Effortlessly push back cuticles with the flat head, trim them neatly, and even remove gel polish with the triangle scraper. The sharp head is perfect for those hard-to-reach corners. Experience precise cutting with our effective jaw design. It isolates problem areas and snips away cleanly, ensuring sharp tips for hangnails and ragged cuticles. Crafted from upgraded polished stainless steel, these tools are sharper, more efficient, and incredibly durable. They are also easy to clean, promising a long-lasting, pleasant experience. Enjoy a comfortable grip with the ergonomic, non-slip handle design. This elegant silver set not only feels great in your hand but also adds a touch of sophistication to your beauty routine. We are committed to providing superior products. If you encounter any quality issues, we offer unconditional returns or refunds to ensure you never bear any loss. What we like. This multifunctional tool set is designed for ultimate precision and comfort during your manicure and pedicure. If you need a versatile solution that can handle everything from pushing cuticles to removing gel polish, this set is an excellent choice. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users seeking efficient nail care. What people say. The cuticle pusher is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. It has a sharp edge that effectively removes dead skin around the nails without causing damage. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, allowing for precise control during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.